Hello, hi, how are you? It's snowing outside and the view is really spectacular. So, this video will be very casual and I am here, and the purpose of this video is to make you aware of the tape script related to listening exam of IELTS. And this video will be very important for both academic and general training students because they have the same listening exam and there is no significant difference. We will start with the need of tape script. What is a tape script mean? Tape script simply means a recording or a printed version of spoken material. So if you have seen an IELTS book, or if you have an IELTS book in front of you, you can open it, and at the end of the book you will see some pages where in small fonts you will find some written material like newspaper form, and it is tape script, and it is completely related to listening exam. Why should we bother about tape script, one may ask. Tape script is very helpful in many ways. First of all, suppose if this is your first time that you are going to appear in IELTS exam, tape script will make you familiar with the concept or with the patterns of listening exam, because in listening exam there are different kinds of questions. In some questions there will be one speaker, in other questions there will be two speakers, and in other questions there will be as many as 3 speakers, which make the questions very difficult sometimes. And when there are more speakers, chances are that people will mark the answers wrongly. In order to avoid that mistake, it is always better to go through the tape script once in a while. And why is it helpful? Because first of all, it will make you familiar with the pronunciation, because IELTS exam has British pronunciation, which is quite different than American or other language or other English language pronunciations. So it will help you in understanding certain words. I have seen that like there are certain words, and it is my personal experience that when I read words, the writing is different, but when I hear it speaking by others, I completely find it different pronunciation, and it makes me confused sometimes. So in my personal experience, when I heard about this tape script concept, and when I used it extensively, my bands significantly increased for my betterment. So first of all, tape script will help you in understanding British pronunciation, as this is one way. Like when you open the tape script pages, you have to simultaneously turn on the audio clip as well of the particular test, and you have to read simultaneously, listen to the audio clip. In that way you will understand the speaker, and there will be written material in front of you, which will make your listening very easy, and it will give you immense knowledge of the patterns of IELTS exam. Secondly, you will also come across so many words, after going through 2 or 3 tape scripts or more, you will find certain words appear in most of the tape scripts. That will help you, and it will build your vocabulary, and this definitely means more bands, because now you are more familiar with the listening exam, as you have broadened your understanding of the exam by going through the tape script and understanding certain patterns. One important thing is that when you uh, understand tape script, you are making yourself more familiar with the listening exam. You are assimilating certain concepts, certain patterns, and you are inculcating those patterns in your memory or in your understanding subconsciously or consciously. It is helping you. Believe me, in my own experience, if you start paying more attention to tape script, you will see a significant change in your bands, and that will be for your betterment, and your bands will definitely increase. Obviously, this is not as much important for academic students as it is for general students, though I do recommend for academic students to go through tape scripts once in a while, because it is very important if one wants to get scholarship, higher band